This program is about to display the following series, and this series is popularly known as Fibonacci series. So let's ask the user to enter the number of terms for which he wants to print the popular Fibonacci series. Enter the number of terms in term equals to sc dot next int for no see generally you will see that this term series is obtained sum of previous two terms. 0 plus 1 is 1. From here you can see 0 plus 1 is 1, 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 2, 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 plus 3 is 8. Okay, 5, and 8 plus 5 is 13, 13 plus 8 is 21, 21 plus 34 is 55, and so on. So let's declare variables. First, int a equals to 0, int b equals to 1, int c equals to 0. We'll declare it c equals to 0. What the value of local variable is not used. Okay, now we will use it. Term if term is equals to 1, if term is equals to 1, then system dot out dot print. What you will print? Will print a plus additional spaces, and else we will go for just copy here. Okay, system dot out dot println, so that we don't waste our time. System dot out dot println, let's print system dot out dot print a, then system dot out dot print b. 0 1 will be printed, and we will run the loop from it I equals to 1. Okay, what is the error? Misplaced. Okay, let's put it here. If term is equals to 1, else token misplaced constructor. Let's make it more clear. Term is equals to 1, system dot auto print. Okay, we'll check that later. So less than I is less than equals to term minus 2, as we have already displayed a and b, so loop will run 2 times less I plus plus, and will perform the action of sum here. C is equals to a plus b, control v here, system dot out dot print c, a equals to b, b b equals to c. Okay, done. See, you can remove this. Now let's check whether it is correct or not. For 0, it should display 0, term 0. Okay, for term 0 it has executed else part, like displayed 0 and 1. Else if we can more optimize this code. Okay, so for 1 equals to 0, for 2 0 1, for 5 see this code is running. Let's train for 15 terms. Okay, code is running correctly. Let's check for 25 terms. See, this code is running again correctly. So what was the test, what was the mistake? That if we will put 0, it will display 0 1 because term is not 1, else it will execute and display A and B. So you need to check this. You can rectify this more correctly using this method. I am stating you another method. Okay, the same program. This is method 1, which you can comment. We'll comment it. This is how command line, multiple command line is used in Java. Okay, this will be common everywhere. Okay, so let's do it for method 2. Method 2, and this is the best approach which I generally believe. See, we don't need a third variable also in this program, so this one is more efficient. Okay, for int I equals to 0, I is less than equals to term by 2. Okay, and I plus plus. See, will display system.out.print. Just copy here, so we can say our time system.out.print A, then B, I can also A equals to A plus B. Okay, let's put the semicolon. B equals to A plus B similarly, and we'll check one more test cases. This has one edge cases that if term is even, this code is correct, and for odd number of terms it will check, it will print one less. So we are handling that edge cases with here putting the condition, if condition, that if not equals to 0, system.out.print A. Okay, now you can see this is the method 2 to find Fibonacci sequence. Okay, let's check for some larger number, 15. Let's check for 0. Again same mistake, we need to rectify that, but generally it is running for bigger case test cases. These are the two methods. You can check for 67, you'll find a larger number of numbers. You can do this by putting the 10 that I stated in previous program. If n, we can declare a counter and increase that. If counter is 10, so each line will display only 10 Fibonacci sequence. Okay, let's check one more test cases, that is 8. Yeah, it is successfully running all the test cases, so this code is also correct. These are the two methods. That's all. Thank you.